For a very limited time, join our giveaways and take the chances to win with us. Just check the description.
Today, in the period of vulnerability, monetary security and the speed of exchanges are urgent for the development of economies. At last, everything reduces to a carefully designed and profoundly secure structure that could be useful to inputting away as well as re-establishing all information on the blockchain-empowered stage, where in any event, exchanging could be worked with alongside quicker installments and exchanges, say such countless them in the blaze of a second. And all disposing of the job of go-betweens, a consequence of hard and faultless work. Before we start with a definite Avalanche cost forecast, we should jump into the coin's outline. The overview of Avalanche. A seed thought that was conceptualized by Cornell researcher Amin Gunsire in September 2020, fundamentally putting together the stage with respect to blockchain calculations, basically to resolve the issues of sped-up, decentralization, and security. With this sort of strong blockchain innovation, Avalanche will go about as a critical power promoter, demonstrating progressive in the realm of installments. As an impetus to empower quick-fire exchanges in the worldwide installment environment, Avalanche will carry extremist change to back. Torrential slide is completely viable with Ethereum resources, applications, and apparatuses with quicker speeds, higher throughput orders, and lower charges. It is an umbrella stage for sending off DeFi applications, resources, exchanging, and different administrations for blockchain engineers. It permits anybody to send off or exchange any type of resource and control it in a decentralized way, utilizing brilliant agreements and other cutting-edge innovations. A significant separation among Avalanche and other blockchain stages is its administration system. Marking rewards are dependent upon dynamic changes as the framework advances. Torrential slide, AVAX, the inherent potential. Without a doubt, Avalanche has incredible potential and will generally be the most appealing digital currency, fundamentally for its local token, Avax, which guarantees high exchange security combined with speed scaling 1 trillion every second. No big surprise, the always dynamic group of qualified mathematicians and cryptographers is creating and keeping up with the Avalanche digital currency. Arising as a very unique and dynamic power, Avax will be the pick and selection of merchants, particularly on the grounds that it has endured for an extremely long period. Likewise, financial backers have found a variable of unwavering quality implanted in this token. The badge of Avax capabilities as a prizes and installment framework for clients. Torrential slide, AVAX, the community and partnerships. The primary point of the Avalanche people group isn't to lead exclusively on the development way. The Avalanche people group is humming about its achievements and gigantic commitment, particularly after Avalanche opened an Ali testnet. It approved the Force of Avalanche agreement and light engineering that offers more impartial investment rather than costly equipment. Being recorded on famous cryptographic money trades like Coinbase and Binance, Avax offers its merchants a protected and reliable stage and empowers lesser expenses and a plenty of computerized resources for single out from. Torrential slide has likewise marked a settlement with various biological systems like Chainlink, Bilira, and so on, taking its forceful mechanical drives to a higher level. The essential objective behind organizations is to construct a compassionate local area around the world, in this way making an equivalent, manageable, and decentralized world. Aside from these discussions, Avax has made further improvements in its organization and its acknowledgement all over the planet. On June 10, 2022, Japan's top crypto trade OKCoin recorded Avax. Dealers and financial backers are good to go for the Formula E race end of the week. Aside from this, the Avalanche establishment has additionally sent off Multiverse. This new impetus program will uphold new biological systems, NFTs, DeFi, as well as institutional use cases. Adding to this rundown, Kalau has likewise held hands with Avax to construct items for NFT dealers and makers. This will assist them with encountering NFTs in new frictionless and easy ways. Ultimately, one of the greatest incorporation is that of Chia Link Keepers and Chainlink YRF coordinating with the essential organization of Avalanche. This incorporation will be really useful for the token as it will diminish the responsibility and upgrade the uptime and security of the shrewd agreements. This news, combination, and acknowledgement will assist Avax with getting the notice of financial backers and merchants. The rising interest will, thusly, lead to the rising worth of the token. Torrential slide forecast, 2022 to 2026. The digital currency value expectation is dependent upon the presentation of the particular symbolics foundation, its headways, and the whole crypto market status. One can never know the specific future exhibition of any token. That being said, specialized examination and different perceptions take care of business as a guide all the while. The avalanche cost conjecture is likewise the subject of totally various perspectives. The ongoing cost of Avax is $16.78, with a market capitalization of $4,715,038,083. The 24 hours exchanging volume of the Avax token is $1,316,035,590, with a flowing stockpile of 280,981,800.04 Avax on the lookout. Avax digital currency is greatly dependent on decentralized applications remaining in front of other state-of-the-art advances and the current decentralized blockchain networks for which the avalanche conjecture is simply subject to advertised development. A blast time for Avalanche, Avax, drives the value figure to remain substantial on this record before long. Made by Ava Labs, this coin has endured for the long haul, so it is critical to realize that Avalanche's cost rise is sure in the approaching 5 years. Nonetheless, carry out your own analysis to measure your gamble resistance. Torrential slide price prediction 2022. As indicated by Avax cost expectation, taking into account there are no unexpected shocks or a stony way forward for digital currency markets after this malicious May, Avalanche is good to go to certify serious areas of strength for it as a significant fascination among its financial backer local area. With financial backer certainty blasting, according to specialized investigation, the Avax cost could have a typical worth of $23. The following bullish gauge opinion for Avalanche, Avax, is assessed to reach $45 by December and will keep on becoming about plus 23%. Ascending to $47. It appears to be the normal most extreme and least cost can lift up $47 and $14, individually, all year long. The exceptionally unpredictable opinion is probably going to go on the following year, seeing the latest thing. Torrential slide price prediction 2023. Torrential slide has laid out a quick, dependable organization and works with the client experience of the item. These variables can assist the Avax with instituting game